like a problem I can never fix. So end my sorrows. Hey, won't you pick it up a little bit faster? Hey, you know concrete dries better than plaster. Hey, won't you pick it up a little bit? There's the bug. There's the bug.
Howdy folks. Just got back from the grocery store. Puffin's about to get home. I told him that I have a surprise for him. The surprise is that he's gonna grill some bratwurst for us. I'm so excited. And then, never made my own pina colada. Apparently it's quite easy. All you need is pineapple juice, coconut cream, white rum, and ice.
You edited out the whole room. You're not gonna get my pants?
Lack of pants. We're gonna have bratwurst.
Ooh.
I got stuff to make pina coladas. It's not a great surprise, but I was very excited about it.
That's a wonderful surprise. The German islanding experience. Luna colada.
Can you give me the measurements for making just one pina colada?
Sounding like a broken record, so flip me over.
Now we're gonna make brats in the air fryer.
Hey, won't you pick it up a little bit?
Alright, good morning, party people. We're going to IKEA. We're gonna maybe get a new bed or like a bed stand and a new duvet cover because ours is currently destroyed. Our life is disheveled. Stuff's everywhere. There's multiple bags of trips we've gone on that haven't been unpacked. Clothes are out of control. Today's gonna be an exciting day. Puffin's gonna finish building his bike out. Is this the downhill? Later tonight, we're gonna go to a Kraken game. This time we're going with Miss Rita and Riley. And last time when we all went together, Rita and I got on the Jumbotron. We were up there for like 7-8 seconds. It was pretty epic. Then after that, we are gonna go to the club, which is not something we really ever do. But we're gonna rally for some friends. No drinking, barely drinking. A drink maybe, but Puffin is on the training program, and naturally I will follow that program. See you at coffee.
Let's get a coffee pause.
It's coffee time.
Did I show you the massive scuff that I got on my brand new gloss black fork?
No.
Bike rack, something rubbed. I got to the bike shop. It's like this long.
Alright, this is the plain latte for you.
I'm gonna buy $14 section of black vinyl and just wrap over it. Oh, it's just like, what the? Thank you very much. You too.
Oh my god. This is so big. Did I not say 20 ounce? That's astronomical. Why is that so big? We have arrived at IKEA and I'm very excited. Let's see what we can find. Let's peek around the corner and look at each other every once in a while. Like a little whiteboard.
2 monitors though.
That would be the picture of Billy
Yeah.
and you. We got our duvet cover and now we're gonna get some Swedish meatballs. It's time to munch. We got one thing. We're not sure about the bed because the bed is kind of a situation. We'd have to get rid of our bedside tables because it wouldn't work, so that's kind of sad.
It's beautiful. Do they have IKEAs in Sweden?
I do so.
I could go like days without seeing you in here.
Do you want that?
And just see how long I could hide from you for like a week.
That's wild. You wouldn't do that.
I got her locked right now.
I appreciate it, man. Have a good one.
Looking for Eddie. like the color. The color is very, very nice. We ran foam through the whole thing, so now the cables aren't going to be all noisy when we're patting down the trail. And we're running different suspension this year. Love the color of the sun. Real nice. All glory in the sun though now.
It's cutesy, very cutesy.
Stoked to do my 3rd year on this thing. Can you believe that? 3 years of this already?
3 years
is
of
that-
narco?
Yeah. Tighten down.
Kind of stressed out right now. Wearing like a 90s outfit with these boots. Leaving the house and like going anywhere other than another small town actually like gives me anxiety now. It stresses me out, and we're going out after. It stresses me even more out. We're old.
Yeah.
Like I'm just nervous that I'm gonna be like so tired.
If you say we have to watch Love Island instead, we can do that.
We'll get to the game. Don't slow down.
American Crush, yeah, we're done.
Good morning. It's currently 8:30 a.m. I did not get a lot of sleep last night. Today is going to be a reset day. I'm actually so excited for it. A little bit stressed out because there's so much to do. I want to make sure that Billy gets some like good outside time. She was such a trooper yesterday. I feel bad if like we're constantly having to go from one place to another. What is up, party people? Guess who's a citizen and a new member of America? It's me! We're in a huge freaking rush right now. I need to go to UPS to print out my application. I need to go to Walgreens to get my passport picture taken. I need to go to the city hall to drop all of those things off. I feel like I'm gonna forget something or that they're gonna be closed. They say they're open till 5. I feel like the city hall would be a place for them to be like, we're open till 5, but we're closing at 1 today. I feel like they would probably be the ones to do that, so. Hello?
I'm just fucking thinking about that. Sorry, it's not even because I was like, oh my god, I don't have time to do this, but extra earrings because they're found at Nordstrom, and they were like two of them. She was like, oh my god, aren't these like so Johanna? And then I was like, oh, and I violated them, so I was like, yeah, you know how I'm fucking saying it right. She's like, yeah, it's Johanna. Anyways, but now she knows, and she was like, now I know how to say their names, and I was like, okay, good. Imagine, she's like, I know you guys do this, they're so kind of smart, and I'm like, okay, I'll send it.
Okay, bye. What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? I felt like shit all day today, and I feel like I'm getting sick, but I'm trying not to get sick. Here's my tea. Don't look at anything that's happening behind me. It's none of your business. Don't look. Honestly, kind of a sleigh. I'm wearing Levi's pants, dad socks that are inside out. Not the freaking Red Bulls. This is my problem. Sometimes I buy things because I'm like, that's iconic. But like, is it though? This is one of those items that I was like, it's the last one, it's half off. We were in Montana at a mountain bike / ski resort, and they had a sale going on because it was summer. We were there for mountain biking, and they had this outside. I forget what brand it is, but it's the Grateful Dead sleigh. All you people of the snow, I don't know if you know this brand, but I bought this. It's really cozy. Oh, it's 686, although the other 6 is backwards. Is that right? 686. It has a hood. Let me show you. That's what it is. Now I'm just gonna drink my little tea and figure out where the heck we're going for dinner. My tummy's in disarray. She's not doing good. Let's see what's out there for dinner. I'm not feeling BBQ. Ooh, ramen actually kind of looks good. Wait, ramen could kind of be good. Not feeling Mexican. It's like literally making me sick. What is my issue? I'm gonna ask Dylan what he thinks about ramen.
Even said, I just had to relay because she said just throw up the idea of going to the club in Seattle.
Going to the club tonight? just about to ask you if ramen sounds good for you. I'm just like, I don't want Mexican, I don't want a burger, I don't want Italian. I'm like, I just want something like, even Thai sounds a little too heavy.
You buy any ramen places?
Yeah, there's actually 2 in Redmond.
Oh yeah. It's ramen time. Shoes on.
I'm just gonna go with these because they're easy to put on. Raining.
Not too stinky in here?
It smells like you sprayed something.
Just come a celery. And some lettuce plus some phone time, mama. What's the golden rule? Don't turn on my partners. I'ma die on my motherfucking dog.
Do you know what this place is?
No.
These giant socks, but now I'm glad I put the giant socks on because it's kind of cold.
Kids Magic Lab.
Learning. Second story. I don't know what the hell that is.
Are we sure we're going to the right place?
Down below. It's like super packed. I don't want to be until like 4, but I'm not here yet.
Well, I don't know. Kind of looks rough.
Cheers.
Cheers. This looks good. How is it, Puff? Good? Slay.
What's that place under the bridge?
Are you ready to go?
Nope, making eggs.
I thought we were going to breakfast.
Well, I need some food before we make it to breakfast. We're just checking in with Dan, seeing what Dan's doing.
What is Dan doing?
Oh, it's the first weekend I'm out in here. I don't know what I'm doing.
I think you should hit Facebook Marketplace and pick up a TX300.
Good morning, Steve.
We've been
Good morning, Steve.
Huh?
He's like, moose.
I think.
I'm going to get Katana. I'm in a pissed off mood. I'm hungry and I'm angry. It's the best acai bowl in the world. Right, Puffin?
That is correct. It is the best.
I'm the best Puffin in the world.
Yep. Get some food again. Let's go get some food.
It's cold on the inside. It was unfortunate. I got an acai bowl and Katana bread. Who made the plan?
What about the plan?
Who made it?
Donald, Kat, and somebody else. My parents are at Eagle Bikes in Bellingham today. We should go to some of these places. They do have like really cool showrooms. I want this table for instance. It's the carbon mold. They cast the carbon in it in the bike. Doing there, just checking things out.
Organize some stuff out of the garage, but we'll see what we get out. Showered. We're going to a friend's birthday party. Gonna be super casual. I'm trying to figure out what I want to wear. I don't know if I'm feeling this outfit that I have on. I have just like some low-rise boot cut pants, and then I have a tank top underneath, and then I just have this like flannel on top. I don't know. I just kind of want to give like chill, cool girl, just shut up like this. You guys, I need help. I need makeup help. I need makeup advice. I've been like debating whether I want to start, this is so dumb by the way too, I've been debating whether I want to start concealing my under eyes. I just like see all these makeup videos and like I stopped concealing my under eyes like a really long time ago just because I feel like it makes it worse, and maybe I'm not doing it right and maybe that's the issue. I took my passport photo yesterday. Horrid. Like the under eye bags were not a vibe and I didn't conceal them. I just don't know what to do.
I get this feeling like a bag of bricks.
Ready to go?
Doing my other eye and then I'm ready. I think that's all I want to do.
Like a problem.
It's fine. Okay, a little bit of an outfit switch.